later on I was exposed to RCD 2000, which is a very, very powerful package. I always like to recommend it for young graduates. Don't rush into automated softwares first. Make sure that you are grounded in design, because RCD 2000 is more like a manual design. You would understand vividly how all the loadings are supposed to be distributed from the slab. You will understand trapezoidal load, triangular load, rectangular load, and all of that. These are very, very vital information. You understand how these loadings are distributed from the slab to the beam to the column, down to the foundation, right? Now, I was exposed to RCD 2000 and I became grounded in RCD 2000. I spent more than, I think I was with RCD 2000 and AutoCAD, doing my detailing on AutoCAD and using RCD 2000 for my structural design. That is, I will come up with my calculation report with RCD 2000, then use the AutoCAD for my structural detailing, right? I even spent about 5 years, yes, using RCD 2000 and AutoCAD, right? All through that 2015 up until year 2020. That was when I started going into Orion 18. So what am I saying in essence? What I'm saying is I started with AutoCAD and then later on I was exposed to RCD 2000. Although at some point I knew that in 2015 there was a time I registered for Revit class, but I just gained some little fundamentals on Revit, but I actually didn't go very deep into Revit. I think at some point I had to even abandon it. But you know, I've had some little exposure on Revit, so I know how to use it a bit, but I wasn't really using it. So all through that period, that 5 years period, I was on AutoCAD, I was on RCD 2000. And then, you know, because of the knowledge of RCD 2000, it was easier for me to understand RCC spreadsheets like this, the normal spreadsheets on computer, without anybody explaining anything to me, because RCD 2000 was more manual and is still even more manual than RCC spreadsheets. So with the knowledge of RCD 2000, I understood how to use the RCC spreadsheet automatically without anybody explaining how to go around it for me, right? So I'm just trying to explain my journey all through to this point. So for me, it has not been